Sergio here, Atlanta Turnkey Construction, and I guess you remember that project we start in September for open concept living area and plus kitchen. So check around, and here is the update. The same house, we haven't touched anything outside yet, but some ideas come so far, and we're coming in. Like and subscribe. Let me show you everything in the details. So we have a new light switches group right here. As you remember, we took the walls off right here. We did the new staircase, and we knocked down this wall. That wall, this wall, and now we have the open concept layout in this living room connected to the beautiful kitchen. And also we do have coming up project for the fireplace, and as you can see, we raise up the floor. Part of the work, we also have the HVAC right here, the two points which we will realize. As you remember, this room was lower than any of this, and now we have a beautiful hardwood floor all over the house, the new HVAC supplies. When we finished here, the homeowner asked us a little bit more, so we're working on the porch right now. That's gonna be the next project I'll show you. But as of right now, the difference in between of the new light, the new fan, the difference in between of the old layout. With 3 rooms and 1 open concept, nice staircase, and a beautiful kitchen. This is my body. Okay, here we also have few 3-ways. This is for the staircase in this group, and this is a can light. So this is a part of the dining area can light, and it's actually on the 4-way because you can control from here. Okay, this is the living room. Here you go. And this is actually on the dimmer switch. We can dim it. And this is on a dimmer switch as well. We also installed the speaker system right here, there, like 4 in the kitchen, 2 over the area, the sofa area, the sitting area in the family room, and everything connected to the TV. So it's pretty much like a really cool high-end sound system. Everything done by our company. We haven't finished here yet, but it's coming. Also here, just because we had more power units. We upgrade the panel. Now we have a new panel. We pretty much upgrade all the plumbing right here. This is the 1980 something house. Also in this room we installed this beautiful patio door. Okay, and let me show you how it works. So you open the door, open the first door, then you move the second door, then you move the third door, and then you have integrated kitchen into your exterior. Not exterior, but to your deck. This is going to be the new project. Stay on the channel and you will see the difference. Mainly from the beginning of this project, we met the customer just to replace the kitchen cabinets and make a new kitchen. But later on we just moved forward and did a lot of different other stuff. Like over here, we have lighting. I'm on the motion sensor. And on the dimmer. The new kitchen. Huge island. Beautiful gray, what is it, quartz countertop. We have a wine cooler here, and if you can see the difference in the height, we did that section especially for the coffee machine, and this is like a coffee station of the kitchen area. We installed the new windows, and the sliding windows give you a little bit more air breathe, and it comes with the built-in screen. You see this? Okay, then the other part of the kitchen as well has light, under cabinetry light. Check the way we build the cabinetry. We kind of a little bit different from another contractor. We also cover everything from the bottom. New sink, faucet, lighting, the can lights over the kitchen. We changed the layout. Now we have 10 can lights over this kitchen. We did the pot filler into the wall, which is really useful for any project, the kitchen project I mean. We have new appliances installed here, the backsplash. This is actually really new and one of the best kitchen appliances from KitchenAid. This is 48-inch range, built-in fridge. We also did the really nice layout for the kitchen cabinetry, so you have a storage system on here. You have a built-in microwave. You load it, you use it. All the outlets in the kitchen has the USB ports, and a different kind, so it's easy to charge the phones. Keep this in mind when you hire your contractor. We're kind of a little bit different from other guys. So also hold that system, the lighting system, sitting on the Casa smart home, so you can integrate any of your switches into the smart home control, so you can control the light even under the kitchen cabinets. This patio door, it really make a big difference. So also in this house we did two other areas. The first of them is a master. In the master bedroom we kind of built out the party area. We installed this door, so now you can take some privacy in your toilet room. So this has a Wi-Fi speaker and different light control, you know, fan, light on, light off, and I believe it has a different light color around. And the other thing we build up for the future of this home, we build up the shelving niche right here, so people can build the shelving and have a storage. At the same time, when you move the door out, you have another shelving spot where you can again have a storage. So this door actually will cover two storage area and the restroom toilet area. Like and subscribe if you like that content, and let me know in the comments what do you think about our projects. The other project we had at this home, it is a basement workshop, and whoever was with me on this channel and seen how the basement been looking before can see the big difference. So we have drywall covered all the walls. We did the extra lighting, and you can see how bright is this room now. So we covered all the HVAC system, made a really nice working station right here, storage, and plus the painting room right over here. Everything is covered as well with the drywall. We have a new light, fans, extra HVAC right here. And then, hey buddy, getting fun with me. And then the main area of the workshop. So we left the HVAC unit and water heater uncovered with any walls, because the homeowner said they don't want to cover anything, leave it like this. But this is actually the workshop itself. Again, this is my buddy, he is the owner of this area. So we did the extra fire blocking over that part. We painted all the ceiling structure in the black color. We paint all the walls. We put the new HVAC system right over here, and we did the new electrical, which you can see. We actually did the structural changes on this part as well. So we ran the beam here and ran 2 columns. Then we did all the electrical. So now he has almost on each wall he has outlets. Then we have a main breaker, and 220 line goes into some heavy duty equipment in that area. And we built the new walls, covered those corners, and then we have one more room for the equipment and dust collector, system, which is 220, as you can see. So this is mainly it. Oh, okay. Also build here, when we build the wall, we build a small storage under the staircase to the main floor. So really useful. Now I think this is all about this project, and stay tuned, like, subscribe, comment, hate, whatever you like, just follow us, and we will show you how we can build the really good quality high-end projects in United States of America from the international group of the people from Europe. For today, guys, that's it. So I'm leaving this project. My name is Sergey, and this is Atlanta Turnkey Construction Company. We're working in the East Coast, Roswell, Milton, Alpharetta, Johns Creek area. We have a license, we pull the permits, we do everything right. Give us a call.